ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯝꯀꯣꯛ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯅꯅꯦꯇꯥ ꯏꯔꯥꯕꯣꯠ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯡꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯀꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯀꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯊꯧꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯑꯖय ꯁꯤꯡ ex senior under officer junior senior amadi tungan category gi mas sarug yabigi taba bedana yanda masigi tungi mai borka ba sapa mahalok singa masigi Contingency NCC unit Jiribam Higher Secondary School flag bearer MD Abdul Hamid Lelena flag bearer MD Daniel Saudari. Special Boys Contingent na kakunuzuriba aprobugi mafamda kagi salute topigo like a bearer K. Sitozit Lerena flag bearer Y. Robinson. Matangabo saluting legs tamna lengsaluluka contingent asi RK Sanatambi Vidyalaya Special Boys Contingent ni High Contingent asigi Leka bearer KH Nawu Singh Lelena flag bearer Wahidur Rahman.
Contingency na ikay kung nag-utuna kung saan kiba matanda hindi ba miyam na ako ba kubaga mamangkubido na kung ning kagat pinabagi na magtanarot na ning singdari. Matangga Jananata Hizamirabat ki itam special na kantiya jero play card bearer Finika Oinam Amadi Lutin Biribi Kopchom Anjali Chanu. Hauzik Kopchom Anjali Chanu na Commander Rabidu Najiri College Special Girls Contingent na ikay kung nabuot pikre. Matang datang silagli ba Special Girls Contingent Jiribam Higher Secondary Special Girls Contingent. card bearer Y. Rita Devi Hojik Jananita Hizam Irabat ke mitam tamna sansindiratli amani kai khumnaba utpegani Hojik Jaybam Higher Secondary Special Girls Contingent ki Contingent ay kai khumnaba utpik lagamatong lagdeba Special Girls Contingent RK Sanatombe Vidyalaya Play Card Bearer Jenelia Kangabam Luchingbi L. Langlen
Arkesana Tambi Vidyalaya Special Girls Contingent na salute puti ko yung matungda laglabo contingent na si Jirighat High School. Ivy School sige flag card bearer MD Riazul Haq, then na flag bearer Commander MD Hasanuddin. Academy Ivy School sige flag card bearer Panther Soy Jimik, Lenana Gaika Soy Gonmai Commander. Academy Junior Boys Contingent na salute puti dina salating beza to pass out kalo matungta laglaba contingent na si Little Angel English School. Little Angel English School Ivy School na sige play card bearer Oinam Dhakeswar Singh amani flag bearer Chandam Raj Singh. English School na salute puti ko matungda matungda lagi ko contingent na si Hillcross English School. Hillcross English School Junior Boys Contingent ni ay ko contingent na sige flag card bearer Duan Tharmam amadi flag bearer salute puti dinacha liba contingent na si Hillcross English School. Ivy School na sige play card bearer Duan Tharmam lenana flag bearer Gayatri Long. English School na lamyan naging maganda ikay konwo uti dina sakti kalo matungda laglaba contingent na si RK Sanatombe Vidyalaya Junior Boys Contingent ni Ivy contingent asigi play card bearer Zulembam Salai Meitei aduga flag bearer Oibiribana Wahang Salai Mitai Lorena Flag Bearer Wahang Bam Sabuksan Mitai.
Matangga miyam gilusing bagi lusing bagay kay pinabagi sa magta sang silang liba contingent na si Year Course English School Junior Girls Contingent Play Card Bearer OBDB Tertial Amade Flag Bearer Commander OBDB Linger Lady. Year Course English School Junior Girls Contingent Linger Labina lusing doon na ikay kung nabuot sa bumatong matang sang silang iba contingent ase Little Angel English School. BTB lusing BDB Air Anjali TV Hosek lamyan bagi matanda ikay kung nabuot pigani. Little Angel English School na ikay kung nabuot sa bumatong matangdatan sila Liba Ahum Suba Junior Girls Contingent New Life Academy Play Card Bearer OBDB Head Patrick Leo Flag Bearer OBDB Gian Luna Kamay. New Life Academy na ikay kung nabaot kurumatong sang silag diba Manisuba Contingent Jigad High School Play Card Bearer Subela Begum Amadi Commander OBDB Y Punyabati Devi. Manisuba Junior Girls Contingent Jigad High School Play Card Bearer Subela Begum Commander OBDB Y Punyabati Devi. Sanatan Vidyalaya Junior Girls Contingent ikay kung nabuot sa bumatong matanggatang silag liba tarok Suba Contingent Pebble Stone International Junior Girls Contingent Play Card Bearer Victoria Mutun Lucing Biribi Sahaba Khatun.
Contingent ase Cambridge English School Senior Girls Contingent ne aiba contingent ase ke flag card bearer enong namdi ahibam benana flag bearer H Rashid Ali Devi. senior girls contingent ni placard bearer ability inong ngambi ahibang pada flag bearer H Rashida Devi.
Highway English School Senior Boys Contingent K H Hemanta Singh Commander na luching bidu may kay kum na boat pikre Contingent sige patungda sang silakliba Senior Boys Contingent Hillcross English School Placard Bearer Oibiriba Gai Chalong Amadi Flag Bearer Commander Oibiriba K Gogoy Senior Boys Contingent K Ani Suba Contingent ikay kum na ba pinabagi ka magtasang directly. Hillcross English School Senior Boys Contingent K Gogoy na luching bidu na ikay kum na boat pikre matangda ikay kum na boat pinabagi da bagta sang silakliba Senior Boys Contingent K Ahoy Suba Contingent Cambridge English School Placard Bearer Oibiriba L Samhaiba Singh luching biriba na Sinam Tolen Singh. Contingent Cambridge English School.
Cambridge School, keep up! Sempat kamu! Jangan tinggal lagi! Ingin guna bau, balau!
Commander Sinam Tolen Singh na luching bidu na Senior Boys Contingent Cambridge English School na ikay kum na boat pikre Cambridge English School, Placard Bearer Oibiriba L Samhaiba Singh, Commander Oibiriba Sinam Tolen Singh. Sahaba Khatun na luching bidu na Pebblestone International Junior Girls Contingent na Jananata Hidam Irabat Kiwitanda ikay kum na boat pikre
Namduan Liu, Lenana flag bearer, Naupok Mandi. Haujuzi Langyan bagi Naganda ikai kono berhubungan tertiba Hill Cross Hill Cross English School Senate flag bearer Namduan Liu Lenana flag bearer Namduan Liu Lenana flag bearer Naupok Mandi. Lamian Mujamafanda ikai kung nabaruto na chatuba contingent si RK Sanatan Vidyalaya Senior Girls Contingent ni Aiba contingent sige Laikat Biarar LBB Konjamban Jina Devi Lenana Commander LBB Nammaitan Diamond.
Beverstone International Senior Boys Contingent na ikai kung nabuot video na from Sandiri. Matangdasan Silag Liba Senior Boys Contingent kaya the contingent RK Sanatan Vidyalaya Senior Boys Contingent.
Vidyalaya Senior Boys Contingent ni Aiba contingent sige Laikat Biarar Odiriba Konjamban Boboy Sanasing Lenana flag bearer Odiriba Kaidan Danaras Singha. Sanatan Vidyalaya Senior Boys Contingent na ikai kung nabaruto na tertiba matungba langsung berleba contingent na si
Inuwagi manipulada sa kagamigay Councilor Krupna may maglagoy.
Jiribam Higher Secondary Unit.
First position Takaba, Cambridge English School, Senior Boys Contingent, Flag Card Bearer El Kamaida Singh, Amadi Flag Bearer Sinan Colin Singh.
Matanda Anisuba position Pangman Alkaba, Senior Boys Contingent, RK Sanatambra Vidyalaya. Senior Boys category Siki, Ahom Suba position Pangman Alkaba School, also Saki. Higher English School, Higher English School.
Mari Suba position Takaba, Hillcross English School के commander K. Gogoy.
Kampung Sekiba Senior Boys category की fifth position Tabak Wangkhaba, Featherstone International School. Arga Senior Girls category की Ahan Ramana. Next we have the second position winner for this category, Senior Girls, goes to RK Sanatambra Vidyalaya.
Senior Girls Contingent के अहम सुपर पोजीशन Takaba, Cambridge English School Senior Girls Contingent. Fourth position Takaba, Senior Girls Contingent, Hillcross English School. Junior Boys Contingent के first position Takaba, RK Sanatambra Vidyalaya.
Ani Subramana Pangman Alkaba, Junior Boys category की New Life Academy and Little Angel English School. The third position for the Junior Boys category goes to Hillcross English School, Namranga, Jiribam. Junior Boys category की Mari Suba position Tabang Alkaba School, Jirighat High School. Ahan Ramana के दमकता Auxiliary RK Sanatambra Vidyalaya.
Flag Card Bearer Grace Tagapam, Amadi Flag Bearer Rohan B. Kangembam.
Then the Ani Suba position Pangman Alkaba School, Auxiliary New Life Academy. The fourth position goes to Hillcross English School.
Junior Girls Contingent के अहम सुबरमना Alkaba School, Little Angel English School.
We have the fifth position winner for this Junior Girls category goes to Featherstone International School. Taruk Suba position Pangman Alkaba, Jirighat High School.